A lot of companies and marketers miss this opportunity to get more search traffic and clients just by doing a 5-minute tweak to their website. Let me show you an SEO life hack which will help you to get more traffic from Google, Bing and other search engines just by implementing a small change to your website. So how this SEO life hack works? Your every page on your website, it has its metadata, its title and description. A person sees when it searches for something on Google. Like, for example, here by barbell request. And here we can see very.co.uk. This page has meta title dumbbell sets and barbell weight sets. Shop from our and its meta title and shop from our extensive dumbbells and barbells ratio at Vary, buy now and spread the cost with affordable monthly payments. It's a meta description. And the thing is that it is very important both for SEO and your conversion, because you need to write the meta title and the meta description in a persuasive and catchy way, so a person who reads it would be interested to take a look at the product. But also it needs to have some keywords which will tell Google or another search engine that this is the relevant information to this request. And for example, we can see that these websites, Bells of Steel, they have quite good meta title, online gym equipment store, blah blah blah. But the meta description is a bit boring. So they haven't made it, in a persuasive or catchy way. And they also don't have a lot of keywords in their description. That's why they on the page 5 of this request, for example. We can also see a quite lazy approach to this kind of SEO optimization for these guys, barbells, like they are selling protein bars, and the description, it's not capitalized. We can see that it's like a set of words which is not targeted actually at a person reading it, but mostly for search engines. And we can see that this information is more like made by a machine. So they are missing an opportunity to rank higher in Google and also to persuade people to visit their website. So these metadata snippets are very important, and now I will show you how to optimize them. For example, let's go to this website. Let's copy the URL and let's go to Ater.io. This is a tool that optimizes metadata with a one click. I will just enter this website and click Get Shit Done. And here we can see a marketing brief created on the basis of this website, but we can go to get SEO optimized and catchy metadata. We can go to the SEO section, click metadata, and here we can see, SEO optimized meta title and description. For example, Bells of Steel UK, durable home and commercial gym equipment, elevate your fitness with professional, affordable gym equipment from Bells of Steel. Train strong, train for life, UK shipping, shop now. So we can see that it's targeted both at humans and search engines. It's easier to read, it's more persuasive, but also it has some keywords like commercial gym equipment, home gym equipment, affordable gym equipment. So UK shipping, shop now, stuff like this. All these keywords, they work towards your SEO optimization rank, so your pages rank high on Google. And also you can do this optimization, as you saw, just with a couple of clicks. My recommendation is just to make this for all of your pages. If you run, for example, an e-commerce store, you can run this operation for any product page you have. And as a result, usually it works in a week or two, you will see better metrics, more organic traffic to these pages just because you did this very short and quick operation. Ater.io, try it, you can try it for free. Good luck and have growth. Cheers.